about the Speedy Gonzales fellow. He take away all our girls. Anybody got it, an idea?
Hey, Jose got it an idea.
Jose got it, an idea? Hey, fellas, Jose got it, an idea.
Tell him what you told me, Jose. Go ahead.
Why don't we get this gringo pussycat to chase Speedy out of town?
The pussycat? That's good. How you think of these things, Jose?
Jose, his wheels, they go click, click, click.
Pull my tail, eh? Wise, that little rodent. Here I am, wise guy. Come on out.
Hello, pussycats.
So, you're gonna pull my tail out by the roots, eh? Okay, here, just try it.
Here's
A tailboat?
Yeah. How'd you like to go sailing, kiddo?
Ooh, goody. I love tailing. Over the lee, west domain. We're coming right off again. And nobody knows where or when. We're coming right off for home again. Gee, it's awfully hot in here, Putty.
But of course, you're sailing the South Seas.
Ooh, what a terrible tropical storm. I'm starving.
And how would you like to go skating?
Skating? Ooh, goody, I love skating.
Here you are, my little feathered friend. Start skating.
You missed.
That's all, folks.
Yo.